After arriving at Fukuoka International Airport, here's a guide on how to go to their local subway. As a reference, my flight is from Manila to Fukuoka. Most likely, this is where you will arrive if you are coming from an international flight. If you need some cash, there is a 7-bank ATM on the right, or straight ahead for a bus that will go directly to Hakata Station. But in my case, I'm staying at Tenjin, so I need to access their local subway. There are also currency exchange, Wi-Fi, and SIM rentals easily available. But turn right for the free transfer bus to domestic terminal. If you search in Google Maps and it shows you to walk for 20 to 30 minutes to reach the subway line, don't do it. There is the orange subway line that is connected to Fukuoka Airport, but that is on the domestic terminal, so you need to ride their transfer bus, which is available for every 15 minutes. Once you see the Lawson, in front of it is the free shuttle bus to domestic terminal. The bus's interval is pretty quick, so no need to worry if there is a long queue. Once you go out, there will be a bus which is free, so no need to pay or tap anything. Just ride on it or line up for a queue. The travel time from international to domestic terminal will just take 10 to 15 minutes only. But be mindful if you are carrying luggages, because most likely other passengers are carrying luggages too. There are times that the bus will be packed due to arrival of passengers all at the same time. Then, once you arrive in the domestic terminal, you will immediately see the orange subway line, airport station. If you are coming from a domestic flight anywhere from Japan, I think you don't need a transfer anymore. Just look for the sign where the subway station is. Then you can also do it the same way if you will fly back to an international flight, as the bus will just circle back to the international terminal. Escalators are also easily accessible in airport subway station, so no need to worry if you are carrying luggages. Train intervals are also quick, but could be packed during rushed hours. Hakata is also just 2 stops away from the airport line, and in my case, as I am staying in Tenjin, I could use either the orange line directly or transfer to the green line. In my 6 days and 5 nights trip, I use a 3-day JR pass and a 1-day subway pass for my last day. Here I am carrying my luggage as the exit is much accessible in this path. In my next video, I will walk you through in my itinerary in Kyushu.